Best country for train manufacturing? Stop right there. If you think there's one single country that builds the best train, you're looking at this all wrong. It's not a simple one-size-fits-all answer. It's more like a global three-way battle for railway supremacy, and the winner depends entirely on what you prioritize: reliability, engineering, or sheer scale. First up, there's Japan. When you talk about the legendary Shinkansen, you're talking about a system where the average delay is measured in seconds, not minutes. It's the original high-speed rail pioneer from 1964, and even today, their safety record is flawless, with 0 passenger fatalities. Japan defines world-class reliability and relentless precision engineering, which is why it remains the global benchmark for safety and punctuality. They built a self-contained, dedicated system, a masterpiece of focus and quality. Then you have Germany, the undisputed champion of heavy-duty, dependable engineering. Think of their Intercity Express or ICE trains. While their network expansion was slower than some, the German focus is on connecting their massive industrial centers like Berlin, Frankfurt, and Munich with solid, robust technology. They are continuously integrating advanced digital systems like ETCS and automated operation to make their lines even more stable and efficient, proving that top-tier mechanical strength goes hand in hand with cutting-edge digitization. Finally, we arrive at the breathtaking scale of China. This is the country that rewrote the high-speed rail map. As of late 2024, China boasts over 48,000 kilometers of high-speed track, more than the rest of the world combined. Their network is an unstoppable force of expansion, connecting 96% of their major cities with speeds up to 350 kilometers per hour. They've also developed the next-generation CR450 train, pushing operational speeds toward 400 kilometers per hour. So, for unprecedented scale, speed, and affordability for billions of passengers, China is the clear winner. Ultimately, the best train-making country depends on the question you ask. Do you want the safest, most punctual ride? Go with Japan. Do you value superior European engineering that's built for the long haul? Germany is your stop. Or are you looking for the most extensive, fastest-growing network that connects a vast nation cheaply and quickly? That title belongs to China. It's a spectacular three-way race where everyone wins, except for those still stuck with slow, undated rail.